Alright, I'm unboxing 3 shoes I got from Saucony, just so I can show them to you, because sometimes things look different in person as opposed to when you buy them online. So let's start with these Jazz Original. Let's see if you can see that okay. These are the Jazz Original, and these were $65. Yeah, Jazz Original Vintage Climbing. $65. I like the color on this. Kind of nice to wear with black sweatpants or something. And I love the smell of new shoes. Love the smell of new shoes. So these are the Jazz Original. And I think I got these in a size 9. Look at this, what they look like, if you were curious. Kind of doesn't look good there with the glue. Maybe that's why they're $65. There we go. Black and red shoelaces. Okay, moving right along. The other Jazz Original, these were $90, and they are leather. Ooh. These are leather. Saucony Jazz. Same color sole though. Still has that glue problem you can see kind of there. These things go way over. Love that leather feel though. As you can see, the ones I wear are kind of old, gray. I've been wearing these for a while now. I can't remember what these are. I know they're the Jazz Original, but I can't remember exactly what style. These are size 9 as well. So there you go. You can see those. The leather up close. Love the smell of new shoes. But these are $90 just because you're getting leather. Smell great though. And the last ones are the gold. I got these in a 9.5 because they run kind of small. These were $40. These are great gym shoes and fun to run with these on at the track. All 3 of these had the same color soles. I kind of like that, I don't know, brown translucent sole. So here we go. This is what these look like. Again, $40. The leather were $90 and $65 for the first ones I showed you. Go through that one more time. $40. These are $90. And these were $65. And I'll try to remember to put links in the description below. So,